In this workout, we'll be breaking down the Pilates move, the 100, focusing on the abdominals. We'll also be working the hip flexors, shoulders, and lats. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. I'll begin in a seated position with my knees at 90 degrees in line with the feet, which are hip width apart. Grab the back of the legs and slowly roll down into a neutral spine position. Palms facing the floor. We'll begin with a leg slide. So inhale, exhale to tighten the belly and extend the right leg across the mat. Inhale back in, good. And left leg, exhale, extend. Inhale, back, good. Let's go 4 more each side. Warming up the hip flexors and preparing the body for the 100 movement with the extension of the legs. Careful to keep the spine stable, not overextending the low back as the foot extends. And 1 more each way. Nice constant breath, exhaling out and inhaling in. Good. Now with an exhale, bring both knees into tabletop and into toe taps. Exhale, tap the right toe down, inhale back. Exhale, left toe down and back. Great, we're going 5 each side. Still careful not to overarch the lower back as the foot comes down. Maintaining this 90-degree structure in the knee. Just 4 more. Great job. Last one. And bring them both down. Good work. Inhale, exhale to tighten the belly. Bring both knees into tabletop again. This time, let's glue those knees together. And exhale to extend. Inhale, bring them both back in. Good. Let's go 4 more. Exhale, extend. Let's keep that lower back stable. Don't arch on the extension. And as we go into this movement with the 100, keep in mind that the higher the feet are up, the easier it'll be. The closer the feet are to the ground, the harder it'll be. And last one. Good, and bring it down. Feet back to hip width apart. Exhale to tighten the belly and curl up. Reach the arms long. Inhale back down. Good. Exhale. Inhale. 6 more. Let's keep that low back stable. I also want to feel a little bit of energy in the armpits. Engaging the lats. Little flex in the shoulders as the arms reach long. Good, 2 more. Keep that belly tight. Don't let it release when we come back down. Last one. Good, and down. Great work. Inhale, exhale to tighten the belly. Pull the knees up into tabletop. And again, curl up into a chest lift and down. Great. Keep going. Exhale up. Inhale down. 4 more. Good. 2 more. And on this last one, let's stay up and we'll move into the 100. On the inhale, pump the arms. Give me 5 pumps for an inhale, 5 pumps on your exhale. That's 1. We're doing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Feel the flex in the armpit. Great job. Keep going. Now if we're ready, we can extend the arms straight. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work. 3 more. Curl up a little higher. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull that belly into the spine. Good job. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees come in, head down, and go ahead and bring the knees on into the chest and let the lower back sink in the mat. Grab the back of the legs and kick on up. So as you saw, we can vary the 100 with the knees bent, the legs straight. Any combination is fine as long as we're keeping the back stable not overarching or overextending the lower back during the movement. Here is my entire how-to playlist. Find your favorite move and you check out how it's done. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you use them to make a purchase, I get a small commission at no charge to you. Leave a comment, share this video. I'll see you at the next workout.